All right, we're going to do some Van Morrison today. We're going to do Moondance and Into the Mystic. So Moondance is going to be an A minor chord. 7, 5, 5, 5. We're going to bar those fives down there. And we're just going to be moving up to a B minor chord. So it's like a... Okay, so it's like a bass chord, bass chord, bass chord, bass chord. Kind of switches around with the rhythm there, you know. Okay, so let's try to play that together real slow. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so basically that's the first third of the tune. There's like 3 different parts. The next thing we're going to go to this D minor 7, 7, 5. You just put a 6 in there. That becomes like a D minor 7 chord. Okay, that's the second part of the tune. So we have this D minor 7 come in, 3 and 4. And. So it's like a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 4. Rest, 1, 2, 3, and rest, 1, 2, 3. That's the E7 raised 9 there. We got 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to use this E7 9 for the turnaround, both of these last 2 parts of the song, but it could be like E minor 7 if you want, or E minor like that if you don't like that Jimi Hendrix sounding chord all the time. So we're going to have down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So 3 times of those, and then rest, 1, 2, 3, and rest, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're getting into the third part of the song. So it's like it's on an upbeat on this A minor to D minor 7. So it's like... So it's like da-dum, 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 da-dum. And then at the end of that, you can hit that turnaround chord again. A minor, B minor. D minor 7. A minor, then rest, rest, D minor 7, and rest, E7 sharp 9. So rest, and now the last part, A minor, D minor 7. Okay, so that's about it for that one, Moondance. We have an E flat chord to start. So this is the top 8s. We're going B flat. Into the mystic. So that's basically how that part goes. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. B flat. Now we have, so we're going 3 to 3 on the G string, the third string, down to the first string, the E string. 5 5 7 6, and then we're gonna go A flat chord, 6 5 4 4, where the B flat was the 8 7 6 6. So we got, and then A flat. So jang, 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 same thing, and then back to E flat. Twice. And then before that's quite done, we have that little pickup, again, A flat. Now we're going B flat. Takes you back. Okay, so there's this killer riff when you get to the B flat at some points in this tune, where they get into like a, you get these double stops going, so it's the 7 and 6 on the third and first, to the 8 and 8, 10 10, and then it's 12 11, 13s, 15s, so it's like, all right, so that was like the verses and the choruses. Once again, we got like a, that's the top 3 strings, 8s, that's an E flat. You could also do that over here, 5 3 4 3. To B flat. You could also do a B flat over here, 3s with a 6 on the bottom. Back to E flat, whichever one you like to do. So it does that a couple times. Let me have that. So that's 3 3, 5 5, 7 6 on the third and first strings. A flat. Back to E flat. Same thing. A flat. Now we're going to B flat. Okay, now we're going to get into these little series of hits where it's like, so we hit that E flat twice, bump. And then you have a little melody here. This is like a 8 9 8 6 to the 8 over here on the G, 6 to 8 hammer on the B. Okay, so it's, and again, and then we're gonna have B flat, and then we can get into this riff of double stops. So that's 7 to 6, just like right out of the chord. 8 8, 10 10, 12 11, 13s, 15s. So it ends up going. Then we'll go to B flat. Okay, and then in the song you go back, at that point, unless it's the end, and then it just ends with like that kind of thing. All right, Van Morrison, couple great tunes, Moondance and Into the Mystic. Thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you soon.